very proud to wear this X ring. It signifies that I am an X-man, as I said, from Saint Francis Xavier University. I'm alumni from there now. Well, good morning, folks. Dr. Garry here. Received a package in the mail yesterday. This is a little box, a little package from Saint Francis Xavier University in Alumnus, Nova Scotia, Canada. It contains my X-ring. Hence the reason why I'm wearing my ball cap this morning, Saint Francis Xavier University ball cap. I'm going to unbox this package, open it up, and see what the ring looks like, and then figure out which finger it's going to go on. It's supposed to go on the right hand, so I'll be doing that, but I'll decide on the finger yet, so you can help me figure all that out. We'll unbox this package together, as I said, and you can join me this morning. My X-ring. For this unboxing, folks, I'm going to be using my Newfoundland and Labrador Carpenters Union Local 579 pocket knife. Right here is the sticker for our YouTube channel, GBL The Old Church 5 Acre Homestead. We are on YouTube, as I said, and you can go there and watch lots and lots of free videos. And my morning mocha, my morning coffee. Now, let's get at the unboxing, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna try to remove the packaging paper that's on here without any damage to it. So, using this pocket knife, as I said, the Carpenters Union, Newfoundland Carpenters Union. Okay, get that packaging slip off of there, Mr. Garry. We're nearly off. Always cut away from yourself. There you go. So there's the packaging slip removed. Now, brings us to the box. Cut open the tape. This knife is quite sharp. So, like I said, I don't want to cut myself. Okay. Now, reveal what's inside this little package. Okay, so there's the box. I'm going to tip the bottom up. Okay, so here we go. So there's the package. Okay, so we can put that aside. So here we go. Okay, so here's the beautiful little box that it comes in. It's called the X-ring box, of course. And let's open up the box and see what's inside the back. Okay. A little card here. It says X-ring store. Thank you for your ring purchase. Okay, so on the back it shows people wearing their ring. In this one, they have it on their right hand and on the ring finger. Now, I could do that. You can also put it on your index finger, which shows leadership. You can put it on your middle finger for a bold statement, or you can put it on your ring finger to show independence. So we'll see what I'll do. All right, so here's a nice little box. Now let me open this one up. Look at that. Okay, so there's Mr. Garry's X-ring. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous indeed. Okay, it says 13 and 25 on my X-ring, and I'll explain that to you. I actually have 2 degrees from Saint Francis Xavier University. In 2013, I completed a master's degree in education leadership, and in 2025, this past May, I completed a doctorate degree in education. So 2 degrees from Saint Francis Xavier University. Now, I'm gonna try mine. It won't go on that finger. That one. Here he goes. He goes on my ring finger. Look at that. My right hand, of course, is where it's supposed to go. So, a sign of independence? Why not? Mr. Garry's X-ring from Saint Francis Xavier University, Canada. And there you have it, folks. Dr. Garry's X-ring from Saint Francis Xavier University, Alumnus, Nova Scotia, Canada. Very proud to wear this X-ring. It signifies that I am an X-man, as I said, from Saint Francis Xavier University. I'm alumni from there now. Awesome, awesome, awesome indeed. Well deserved, I think. 2 degrees, a lot of time and a lot of money too, to get to wear this ring, of course, and the degrees are very, very important. Appreciate you tuning in this morning to this unboxing video and watching me don my X ring. You have a blessed day, and we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Take care, folks. Dr. Garry, signing out. Before we go, let's just take a pan around and have a look at what came in the box. There's the packaging box that came in the mail, and inside that box was this larger box right here, and then in the box came this ring case that says X-ring on it. There was a card inside that said thank you for your purchase, and on the back it showed several people wearing their X-ring. There's our YouTube channel logo. So do, as I say, go visit our channel and check out the many videos there. I think there's over 1,200 videos now you can go and choose from, and they're all free. And for this unboxing, I used my Newfoundland and Labrador Carpenter's Union pocket knife, Loco 579. There you have it, folks. You have a blessed day, as I said earlier. Thank you, and see you later.